of people wrap their hair super tight after a shower, but heavy towels actually pull on your roots and can cause shedding. Instead, gently blot your hair with a soft towel or a microfiber wrap. Your roots will thank you.
Don't brush wet hair. It is super fragile. It stretches and snaps so easily. Let it air dry a little first. And if you really need to detangle, use a white tooth comb.
Please don't do this. Sleeping with wet hair leads to breakage, frizz, mildew on your pillow, and even dandruff. Before bed, dry your hair. Braid it loosely, and if you can, switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. You'll wake up with smoother, healthier hair.
When you wash daily, you strip away all the natural oils that protect your hair. That's why it feels dry and frizzy. Try washing only 2 to 3 times a week. Trust me. Your hair will look healthier and shine more.